Hello, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the camera shutter sound in S23 Ultra. This is my S23 Ultra, and if I open the camera app here, and if I try to take any photograph, you can hear that there's a shutter sound, which is quite annoying for me. And if I go to the settings and scroll down, I don't really have an option to disable the shutter sound here in this phone. Okay, so I'll go back. The basic behind this solution is that the system sound should be turned off. So if I go to my volume and click on these three dots and make my system sound is 0, and again if I go to my camera and I try to take any pic, there is no shutter sound. But this is not a practical way because you can't really go every time to your sound settings and turn off the system sounds. So I'll again go back to my system sound, turn this back on. Now what you have to do is go to your phone settings, click on modes and routines. So all we have to do is we need to automate the system sound when my camera app is open. So I'm in modes and routines. Basically under the routine section, I click on this add button and I go to this if condition. Now my if condition will be that if I open the app, my camera app, so I'll select my camera, mark as done. My if condition is set now. Now I'll have to set the then condition, which means that what this routine should do when the camera app is open. So I click on this then action and try to find out the sound and vibration, which is here, and then click on sound mode and volume, and we'll put this system sound back to 0, mark it as done. Now what it does automatically is that it puts in the reverse action, which means that if my camera app is not functional, then it will just put on the system sound back to what it was. So as I can see in the then action that my system sound is 0, I'll click on save. I'll mark it as done. Now if I go back to my camera and I try to take any click here, you can see there's no shutter sound there. Now one thing I want to highlight here is that once you activate your routine and you open the camera app, just give it a 1 second so that routine can automatically get started. Otherwise, if you just go to camera app and straight away try to click a pic, the routine is not going to work first time, because system does need some time to run the routine, which is basically very nominal, kind of 1 second. So that's all. That's how you can turn off your camera shutter sound in S23 Ultra. Thank you.